When I was 8, I had a huge celebrity crush on Michael Jackson. My parents bought me the Michael Jackson doll with the Thriller outfit and the glove. By the time I was a teen, it was time for a doll purge, and I deliberated. The Michael mitten drove me crazy. It was so cheesy by this point, and it lost its luster. The doll to me was not that great looking and didn't resemble Michael Jackson that much. What does that have to do with right now and decades later?
What you have to say?